Do you understand the taxation components of your retirement benefits as it pertains to your Social Security and Medicare? If not, you're going to want to stay locked into this short educational video today. Hi, my name is Carson Graves, President and CEO of the Retirement Education Center.
And my name is Andrea Graves, Director of Operations at the Retirement Education Center. Thank you for tuning in to REC Videos, which simply stands for Retirement Education Concepts. These videos are created to give you tips on how to make baby steps towards your retirement goals.
Absolutely, Andrew, because there are so many concepts as it pertains to retirement planning. So much information, so many retirement strategies, and so many retirement products that you're going to be faced with as a consumer. I think it's incumbent upon financial advisors to make sure that we continue to make the retirement process simple. This is also why I believe that if you're watching this video, it is important for you to understand that you should always try to work with a financial advisor that has a team of expert advisors that can help you develop a retirement roadmap that will let you know when, where, and how you can reach your retirement goals. And so these retirement education concept videos are simply created so that you don't get bogged down in the weeds and suffer from a condition as we all know as paralysis by analysis. So let's quickly jump into our educational lesson for today. But before we do that, as always, there are two rules to retirement income that we like to give you. And Andrew, what are those two rules?
Well, rule number 1 is to never run out of money, and rule number 2 is to never forget rule number 1.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and talk about the taxation of your retirement benefits as it pertains to Social Security and Medicare. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the taxation components of your retirement benefits. Now, most of us know about FICA. We've heard of it. We know that's what we're paying out of our payroll taxes. But FICA consists of two components. One is Social Security, and you, the employee, will be paying 6.2% out of your income towards Social Security. 5.3% of that is going towards Social Security that you will receive at retirement, and 0.9% of that is going towards disability insurance. So if you become disabled before your full retirement age, that's what the other portion of that 6.2% is paying for. The other portion that you're paying out of your payroll taxes is Medicare. Now, you pay 1.45% out of your pockets for Medicare. And since 2013, if you are a higher income wage earner, you're going to pay an additional 0.9% of taxes for Medicare. So just keep that in mind, and we're going to go over that in just a moment. Also, I want to remind you that if you want a copy of this free report, we're going to have a link in the description below. All you have to do is click on that link and request your free copy of this report. It's a 22-page report that will help you understand your Social Security and Medicare better. So your employer, they're going to pay the other portion of those benefits. So they're going to pay the other part of that 6.2% and 1.45%. Now, what earnings are actually taxed? This is important for you to understand. You are taxed in 2021, and I can tell you that this is probably going to continue to change. But in 2021, you're taxed on those benefits on income of up to $142,800. That's $142,800. Now, I mentioned you pay an additional 0.9% tax if you are an individual and you make $200,000 or more. And if you're filing jointly, if you make over $250,000 or more. So when you're talking about Social Security, we've done numerous videos about this, right? About how your Social Security benefits are taxed. This is just a very quick conceptual video. So you want to go back and take a look at our other videos talking about the taxation of Social Security. But when it comes to your benefits, Social Security benefits are going to be taxable on your combined income, which includes your adjusted gross income plus any non-taxable interest plus 1/2 of your Social Security benefits. A lot of people don't know that. It's not all of your benefits. They include 1/2 of those benefits. And depending on how much provisional income you have, up to 85% of that 1/2 can be taxable, or up to 50% of those benefits can be taxable. So that is something to keep in mind. So how do they look at that? If you are single, head of household, if you're single head of household, if you make $25,000 or more, up to 50% of those Social Security benefits could be taxable. If you make over $34,000, up to 85% of those benefits can be taxable to you. Now, married filing jointly, if you make over $32,000 a year of provisional income, up to 50% of those benefits can be taxable. And if you make over $44,000 a year as a married couple, up to 85% of those benefits can be taxable. Again, this is a very short conceptual video. Remember, there's a link provided in the description below. Click on it, request your free copy of this report so you can continue to look at this information and have it for future references. So I really hope that this retirement education concept video gave you some insight into how your retirement benefits as it pertains to Social Security and Medicare are taxed. Please remember that these videos are created for educational purposes only, and you should always seek out your own financial advisor, your own tax advisor, and your own attorney about your particular situation. If you're looking for a fiduciary financial advisor to help you with these type of financial matters, please click on the link provided in the description below and learn how to become one of our high-valued clients. Also, for more information on this topic or any other concepts that we've discussed in our prior videos, do not hesitate to reach out to our office and leave any questions or comments in the section below.
For additional concepts on how to maximize all of your retirement income, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you have questions,
we have answers.